In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce OBS CPU usage. If OBS is using too much of your processor and causing lag, dropped frames, or stuttering during recording or streaming, there are a few simple settings you can adjust to make it run more efficiently. The goal here is to reduce the workload on your CPU without overcomplicating anything, and the changes we'll make are all built right into OBS. Start by opening OBS on your computer. Once the program is open, look toward the lower right area of the window and click Settings. This is where you'll find the main performance-related options. Inside the Settings menu, click Output. In this section, you'll see the video encoder setting, which has a major impact on CPU usage. If your encoder is currently set to x264, that means OBS is using your CPU to handle video encoding. To reduce CPU load, switch the video encoder to a hardware encoder instead, such as NVENC, if it's available on your system. A hardware encoder uses your graphics card to do the encoding work, which usually takes a lot of pressure off the CPU and can improve overall performance while recording or streaming. After that, click Video in the Settings menu. This is where you can reduce the amount of video data OBS has to process. First, lower the base canvas resolution to 1280 by 720. This decreases the size of the working canvas and can make a noticeable difference in system usage, especially if you were previously using a higher resolution. Next, lower the output scaled resolution as well. This controls the resolution of the final video being streamed or recorded. Keeping this lower helps OBS process fewer pixels, which reduces the strain on your computer. In most cases, lowering both the canvas and output resolution is one of the fastest ways to improve performance. Then, lower the FPS value to 30. FPS stands for frames per second, and reducing it means OBS has to render fewer frames every second. While 60 FPS can look smoother, 30 FPS is often more than enough for many recordings and streams, and it can significantly reduce CPU usage. Once you've made those changes, click Apply, and then click OK to save everything. OBS should now be set up in a way that uses fewer CPU resources, which can help create a smoother experience overall. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.